Computer Science Videos here today to show you guys in this tutorial how to turn on your out of office hours on the desktop application Microsoft Outlook using a Mac computer. Without further ado, let us start the video. So in this tutorial, you need to have access to a Mac computer, have access to the desktop application Microsoft Outlook. We cannot start the tutorial. Before I start this tutorial, I would like to say that you are more than welcome to subscribe to my channel, Computer Science Videos. As we know, every problem is solved by indirection. You can also follow my Twitter account. We are trying to grow as fast as ever. I'm on TikTok. We post videos here and there. Follow my page on Facebook. I'm also on Instagram. You are more than welcome to support me on PayPal. Let's now focus on the video. So now let's go down to the dock, go to Launchpad, go to the application, Microsoft Outlook, search for this, enter to open up the application, wait for that to load. Once it has loaded, what we will do is go to the navigation menu where we have Home, Organize, Tools, click on Tools, and here we will have the option that allows us to activate the out of office hours. Click on this. And now we can send an automatic reply from the account admin@computersciencevideos.com. Click on this. So we will now type in a response that will be automatically sent to the recipient when they send you an email. If you're not there to respond to, this will be activated and automatically sent to them. So, dear customer, comma, space, thank you for your email. I am not available at this moment in time. Please contact my colleague at, and then you would give the email address, or contact this number if you have any urgent issues. Kind regards from the admin. Command A to highlight, Command C to copy. We can then click on send replies only during this time period. That's correct. So this will start from 9 o'clock today and end at 9 o'clock tomorrow. So this is all in the night. Send replies outside my organization. That's okay. Command V to paste. If anyone from, let's just say, a Gmail account or any other email address with a different domain responds to you, that activated message will be sent to them. So let's click on OK. So this has now been activated. Let's now minimize Outlook for the moment. Now let's go down to the dock, go to the web browser, which is Safari. In this case, we will sign into my personal Outlook account. Let's go to Office 365. Let's navigate to my Outlook inbox. Now let's compile a brand new email. This will be sent to the admin account. As you can see on top, we receive this prompt that the account is out of office and they will not be responding, and they will respond with this automatic email. So let's just say, dear admin, I need your help. Kind regards, my name, help in the subject, click on send. We should now have received an automatic email that says, thank you for your email. I am not available at this moment. Please contact my colleague at, or contact this number if you have any urgent issues. Kind regards from the admin. That's okay. So we can now quit Safari. We can now go over onto the dock, go back to Microsoft Outlook. We can quit Outlook. And so that's it for this video. I'll see you guys in my next tutorial. Thanks for now. Thank you for making it towards the end of the video. Be sure to subscribe to my channel, Computer Science Videos. Be sure to check out the previous video on screen now, or you can ideally click on the playlist and watch all the journey for computer science videos from the start until now.